Hello everyone, and welcome back to the EGSMA tutorial series. Today, we will explore Postcode-Wise Shipping and learn how to configure shipping rates based on specific postal codes. First, log into the EGSMA admin panel. Then, click on the three dots in the top right corner and select the Feature App section. Locate the Shipping Feature app and click Enable. If it is already enabled, it will be marked as Active. Please note that real-time carrier-calculated shipping must be enabled in your Shopify store, as this is a mandatory requirement defined by Shopify to allow the store to retrieve shipping rates from third-party carriers. Now let's explore the shipping configuration. To do this, go to the Configuration section and select Marketplace Shipping Configuration. This opens the control center for all shipping-related settings in your EGSMA platform. By customizing these settings according to your requirements, you can build a smooth and efficient shipping management system. Here are the essential settings you need to configure. Choose shipping type for Marketplace. Here, you need to select Single Shipping. In the Shipping Type option, you can choose from three types: Country-wise, Zone-wise, and Postcode-wise. Select Postcode-wise if your shipping rates are based on postal codes. Once you choose Postcode-wise Shipping Type, additional settings will appear. Configure the postal code length to define the required length of postal codes and set the minimum postal code length to match to specify the minimum length needed for postcode matching. Enable country in postcode. This setting allows you to enable or disable adding a country to the postcode zone. Please note that enabling this option will reset all previous postcode zone configurations. Enable states in postcode. If the country option is enabled, this setting allows you to add states to the postcode. After configuring all these settings, click Save. Once you select Postcode-Wise Shipping, an option to add shipping zones will appear in the app. To do this, go to the Configuration section, select Postcode Zone, and click Add Postcode Zone. Here, you need to enter the postcode zone name and set the status to Enabled. Next, choose the method to add postal codes, either Add with CSV or Add manually. If you select Add with CSV, you can upload a postcode CSV file. A sample CSV file can be downloaded from here. Update it as required and then upload it back to the system. After uploading, click Validate and then Submit. Please note that the CSV file can contain up to 5,000 postal codes. Now select Add manually. Using this option, you can add postcodes manually by first selecting the country from the dropdown, then choosing the relevant states, and adding one postcode at a time. Once done, click Save. As shown, a few postcode zones have already been added. To add more postcodes to the same zone, click on the three dots next to the zone and select Edit. Then choose the preferred method to add additional postal codes. Then add the postcodes from here and click Save. Using the three dots, you can view all postcode zones as well as disable or delete a zone. You can also assign shipping to a specific postcode zone from this section. As shown, shipping has already been added to the postcode zone. If required, you can remove the shipping from here and then click Save. Additionally, you can search for a specific postcode zone by entering the exact postcode in the search field. Now let's understand the bulk action functionality, where you can select multiple postcode zones by checking the corresponding boxes. Then use the bulk action menu to enable, disable, or delete multiple postcode zones at once. Next, go to the Configuration section and select Shipping Methods. Here, you can view all active marketplace shipping methods and see which sellers have enabled them. By clicking on the three dots in the Action column, you can configure, enable, disable, or delete these shipping methods. This completes the admin side configuration. Now let's switch to the seller side to understand how sellers can efficiently manage marketplace shipping configuration on their end. Log in to the Seller panel, go to Configuration, then Marketplace Shipping Configuration, enable the shipping status, and click Save. This activates marketplace shipping for the seller. Next, navigate to Configuration, then Shipping Methods, locate the Marketplace Shipping method, click on the three dots in the Action column, and select Range Details. Then click Add New Range. Choose whether the range is based on price or weight, then specify the range details and click Save. As shown, a few product ranges have already been added, and you can edit or delete them from here. Similarly, you can add more shipping ranges using the button available in the top right corner. To set up shipping rates under the Marketplace Shipping method, go to Configuration, then Shipping Methods, click on the three dots in the Action column, and select Postcode Zones. Here, you can view the list of all available postcode zones. Click on the three dots next to the postcode zone and select Add or Edit Price. Here, choose a shipping method and specify the shipping charges based on the defined product range and click Save. If required, you can enable the Discontinue Selling in this zone option to remove the shipping charges and mark the zone as unserviceable. After making the changes, click Save. Similarly, you can add or update shipping charges using the CSV method. To do this, click the Add or Update Shipping Charge by CSV button in the top right corner. Download the sample CSV file provided here, update it as required, and then upload the updated CSV file. After uploading, click Validate, and once validation is successful, click Submit. Now return to the Postcode Zone page. Here, you can search for a specific product zone using the search field. You can also search for a particular postcode zone by entering either the zone name or an exact postcode. For bulk actions, select multiple postcode zones by checking the corresponding boxes. Then use the Bulk Action menu and click Bulk Edit. From here, you can update the shipping charges in bulk. Once the updates are complete, click Save. This completes the setup for Postcode-Wise Shipping. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching and see you next time.